Today on How to Drink, we're going to the Rainforest Cafe. Remember that place? You been there in a while? If you have kids, you might have. I don't know. There's like 200 of them in America. All right, we're back from the Rainforest Cafe. What do we got? We got fresh cans of ooze. Let's open up one of these. We got the special glass. I think that the commemorative collectible mugs was a good choice, don't you?
I think so.
Yeah.
It really brings it home for the audience.
Oh man, this really, it hits your nose so hard when you open it up. There it is. I mean, that's extremely fresh. That's exactly what it was an hour ago. We got a glass of Panama punch here. And you know, it reminds me of the Panama Canal because it is the color of standing water that breeds mosquitoes. Banana playing a canal. It's very banana-y. I like banana. You know what? If you had to peg this flavor profile, you'd say this is strawberry banana. This is kind of a citrus banana. Strawberries are not citrus, but they are a phenomenal source of vitamin C. And so they are citrus-y in flavors. So when you put them together, it's a citrus banana. It's probably a strawberry banana kind of thing. I don't know if there's actually strawberries in it, but it presents that way. There is like some kind of like citrus pulp in there. Orange pulp or grapefruit pulp, I don't know. Mostly a banana citrus drink. That's what I got. What does it actually say on the menu?
So there's Don Q 151 rum, Myers Original Dark Rum, Peach Schnapps, Banana Liqueur, Creme de Cassis. Is it Cassis or Cassis?
I think it's Cassis. You're asking me.
I don't know.
You're asking me how to pronounce
we're
the
both
thing.
Pronunciation disasters. Orange and pineapple juices.
Man, I don't get peach in this at all. I think we can simplify that spec because I think there's a lot of stuff in here that they say is in here that you're not tasting. It also kind of hurts my mouth. I'm noticing that now. It hurts the roof of my mouth. Feels like little needles stabbing in there. So what can we do to make it better? I don't know what my mission is. So I think that the thing to do would be to simplify this drink to what is its like skeletal structure to some degree, and then maybe build it back up, but in a thoughtful way that gives it a little bit more character than what we've got here, which is just a very unassuming glass of banana flavored alcohol, pineapple strawberry flavored alcohol. Maybe that's what it is. Pineapple and bananas together make this flavor. And I gotta say too, like this is fine. Like this isn't like, you know, gonna put it's not like gonna send you into a tizzy, be like, that's disgusting. It just could be a lot better, because why not? Why shouldn't it be better? It should be good. It should taste good. And we're not gonna do anything crazy. We're just gonna work from like, you know, regular bar ingredients. We're not gonna be like making like my own homemade banana syrup, you know, from this rare breed of bananas that you can't get here in the States. You know, it's not gonna be anything like that. We went and got some ingredients. We got the ingredients. I did have some Myers, and I have some Overproof lemon Hart. Always welcome in a drink. This is good stuff. So my goal is, I want to simplify this and just improve it. I want to get it down to its base operating things. I know it says there's all stuff in there. I definitely get the pineapple. I don't get the cassis. I'm sorry. I'm gonna try and build this without the cassis. I don't think there's a need for it. If it somehow comes up short and like it needs cassis, okay, maybe we'll figure that out. It's a bit like a rum runner, actually. When I get down to the flavor on this, it's a bit like a rum runner. So let's just get started. Let's just shake something. Let's go with an ounce of pineapple. I think we want to do half as much lime as we do pineapple. So just a half an ounce of lime. All right, half an ounce of lime juice. I got a tiny orange. This is actually so small it's gonna fit right into my juicer. 3/4 of an ounce orange juice here. I'm gonna grab my bar spoon and just give that a quick taste right here and there. Oh yeah. It's a little tart though. It's a little too tart. I'm gonna put in a half an ounce of Simple. That brings out those fruit flavors the way you want them to taste and express. Now, I'm going to add banana liqueur to this in small portions until I get it to just where I want it to be. So I'm gonna start with a 1/4 ounce. It's pretty nice. I'm not getting banana flavor yet though. Another 1/4 ounce, up to a half an ounce of banana liqueur. Oh man, one more 1/4 ounce, I think we got it. So 3/4 of an ounce of banana liqueur. We're gonna do 1 ounce of our Myers Dark. We're creating something quite vacation-y here. I'm enjoying this thoroughly. We're gonna add in a half an ounce of our 151. So that added a little bit of intensity to it. I think we might want just another 1/4 ounce of Simple, just to help get that back into balance. I think we're gonna do this on cracked ice entirely. Oh, this is awesome. This is, Meredith, thank you for finding this. This is, these things are crazy. These are huge. These are from Tiki Tony. This is Jose from the Enchanted Tiki Room, made by Tiki Tony. And my wife got it for me for a birthday present a couple years ago. It's more of a showpiece than to be actually used, but that's okay. The other problem with it is that you need a super long straw to get to the bottom of it, so we just make one. There you go. There, that'll work, yeah. And then I think probably can't go wrong with a little fresh mint on something like this. There we are. Tiki Tony. Thank you. It's a lovely tropical drink. It is fresh fruit, citrus. You get the pineapple and orange, like sweet back to this thing. The lime is providing just the right amount of balance for the other flavors because you gotta have a little tart in something like this. You want it to have a little bit of brightness. You want to have that come in there and give it a little kick, just a little bing, just a tiny amount. There's not a lot in there, just enough. You don't really taste it, but it's there. You know it. I do know it's working because you're not going to get that from orange. You're not going to get that from pineapple. You're not going to get that little bit of like bitterness that you kind of get from a lime to kind of balance it. From there, I get like this chocolatey banana thing because of the dark rum and having the banana in there just the right amount. Just, you know, we added it by quarter ounce, right? And the same with a lot of the other stuff, the sweetness, the variables, to get it just right. And you get this very harmonious like flavor synthesis between the rums and the banana and the pineapple fruit combo that it's nice. This is very good. The fresh mint on the nose is always pleasant with this kind of a drink. That goes that easy. That's perfect. That is exactly what you want, like a beach tropical drink to taste like. It's not extremely complicated despite all those flavors, but it's very easy to drink without being overly sweet, without getting there by hiding its flavors. Like, because you can still taste the rum. You have that burnt sugar, deep caramel. I don't know how much time it spends on wood, but it has like a nutty, woody kind of flavor. And I think a lot of that nuttiness, by the way, is coming from creme de banana, which also has some caramel. I even described it as being like Bananas Foster when I had a sip of it before. And you know, it's funny too, on every sip you get a little bit, it's a little bit different. I just got a lot more banana on that sip and it was nice. It was good. This one tastes a lot more, yeah, I mean, you don't taste the cassis at all, I don't think. At least it's not doing anything you want. Well, one, I think we nailed it, right? This tastes the fruit in a much less artificial way. It tastes more naturally like it's fruit. I can't quite put my fingers on that. I don't know what they're using for orange juice in there. I don't know what they're using for their pineapple juice, if it's actually a syrup, if it's a nectar, if it's a preservative type thing. This tastes fresher and better in that way. Also, what I'm getting too is like this has like a toasty note. Like there's a caramel note, there's a baking spice kind of note to this that is coming from the rum because we're letting the rum express, whereas whatever this ratio is doesn't really feature the rum, kind of hides the rum. And I think that's a big part of why this is kind of working better. This is like a 60-ounce tiki mug, by the way. I should do a measurement on this. I have no idea. It's so huge. I said it before. It kind of was like, oh, this might end up being like a heightened version of a rum runner. I don't know what the spec was that we did for the Improving the Rum Runner episode, but I wouldn't be surprised if it wasn't pretty close to this. Right after this, we're going to do the next drink we brought home from the Rainforest Cafe. I'm calling this one a success. I think we did it. I think we improved upon the Panama Punch. That feels like a good Panama Punch to me. Let's do the next drink we got back there from ye old, one of the great, what do you call it? Oh, this is still fizzing. This one had soda in it. One of the great theme restaurants of the 90s, the Rainforest Cafe. The real boom of theme restaurants. It's blue! We have a blue drink! Meredith, what is this?
The Blue Nile.
It's the Blue Nile? The Blue Nile, a riff on the Blue Danube, I suppose. I mean, like, is that a thing? Are they referencing anything when they say the Blue Nile? Anyway, this is a Blue Nile. Well, like many a blue thing, it tastes very blue. This drink tastes like something you would have drank at a pool party in 1993 when you were a child. That's what this tastes like. It doesn't taste like alcohol.
Yeah.
It doesn't taste like alcohol. It tastes like Sprite and orange juice or something, and like Jolly Ranchers. I don't like this drink. What is in this supposedly? I think it might be. I think I am tasting just a touch of mango, but only because I know to look for it. Because I think there's mango in this, right?
It has mango rum.
Mango rum. So mango flavored rum.
It says Cruzan mango rum.
Cruzan. Okay.
Blue curacao.
Blue curacao.
Finest Call Blood Orange Sour
Finest Call Blood Orange Sour, some kind of a mix, so I was right on the orange, yeah.
with sweet and sour.
With sweet and sour, which is their homemade, but like it's carbonate, so I think that their sweet and sour is Sprite.
Yeah, that's.
I think that's what they're. I'm pretty sure they're using Sprite for sweet and sour. All right, that's weird. I'm gonna keep the blue. Let's keep it blue. I don't know. Other than that, I'm gonna say it's an orangey, mango-y drink. I can get behind that. It tastes like a lemon lime soda. There is no attention here to the ingredients. I get maybe hints of mango, but it doesn't really taste all that mango-y. I think it could be more meaningfully mango-y. It has to be blue, or blue has to be a component of this drink. I think I got a solution for that. I like this idea. It might take 2 shakers to make it though. So let's get cracking. What if that was my catchphrase? Hey guys, Greg here from HTD. Let's get cracking. You at home, remind me to say my catchphrase when we get to cracking the ice. I got both of my shakers just in case I need both. I'm not sure how this is going to work out just yet. I got some weird ideas. I want to make this drink a little bit more exotic, a little bit more interesting. We're going to do 1 ounce of lime juice. 1 ounce of lime juice in my tin. Let's do 1 ounce of our mango. Before we go for more mango, let's add sweetness. Because right now, mango is a sweet fruit. Without its sugar, or if you counter its sugar, or if you unsweeten it, so to speak, that's a 1/2 ounce of simple, by the way, you won't really taste the mango. Let's do another 1/2 ounce of mango. Now I want to do 1.5 ounces of Novafogo. So what is this? This is kind of a mango caipirinha. I find that to be quite lovely, actually. I love that. Next tin, we're going to do 1/4 ounce of blue curacao, 1/4 ounce of Novafogo, 1 3/4 ounce total for the rum. And we're going to actually want to add a little bit of sweetness to this as well. Not too much, just 2 bar spoons. Okay, I'm going to crush up some ice. All right, now I am going to do some shaking. Woo! It's gonna take a minute to work down. A little overflow there, that's all right. Don't have a name for it yet, maybe just improved Blue Nile. Woo, that is great. Yes, that is a perfectly, oh, it's a good drink. That's a really good drink. Now, keep in mind, I really like Novafogo. That's a factor here. I really, really like caipirinha. This isn't actually a caipirinha, but it's the same flavor profiles. It's like a mango caipirinha. It's delicious. You get just the right amount of mango and lime and sweetness to offset the Novafogo and accentuate its interesting, funky nature, because that's a funky, cool spirit. It's a cachaça. Cachaça is kind of rum. Personally, I am of the mindset that if you are using cane sugar of any kind or level of refinement for your distillate, you're basically making rum. There are arguments that cachaça predates rum, whatever. This is fresh, just tart enough, just sweet enough, just mango-y enough, just funky enough. Does it have any relationship to this drink at all? This has a much more medicinal taste to it, honestly, like an artificial taste to it. But yeah, honestly, if I told somebody this, you know, oh, this drink at Rainforest Cafe, that's their version of this drink. They're just trying to make this, but cheap. I would buy that. All right, well, went to the Rainforest Cafe. We got 2 drinks, Blue Nile and a Panama Punch. Instead, we made a Manaplan Canal and a Blue Amazon? Let's call it a Blue Amazon. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back very soon with another episode of HTD. In the meantime, you'll find me on the social places down below you. Right here. Look at them. There's a place. That's where I'm at. I'm over there now. I'm on Twitch, TikTok. I'm around on the Twitter. You'll find Instagram. Oh, yeah. Places I'm at. You know what else, too? Made a lot of episodes of the show. A lot of episodes, like over 250 episodes of How to Drink. Here's 4 of them. Why don't you watch them? Please watch them. It's all my life, blood, sweat, and tears right here. Turned into bits. To live forever on the internet.